Ito starting nila ko.
This is the cow that I pull out the leeches from her body, and every week she comes twice or thrice. Today she came, and I was thinking about her, and I pulled out the ticks. She doesn't leave this place without my service. She spends a lot of time here, and she comes from the near village. That I pull out the ticks, and I give her some gruel, rice, whatever food, bread also. Very simple, beautiful cow. I don't think it is a cow. This is a soul. That I am a soul. Everybody is a soul. The plant, every plant is soul. The earth is soul. The air is a soul. The sun is a soul. That we all are the souls. And the Supreme Soul has created all of us. So it is very beautiful and good to serve. Mm, it is a joyful day for me when I do some righteous work, that I serve some souls. That the ants are the souls, all creatures are the souls. These souls, all the souls are here. I don't think it is a other animal. That one dog is coming, that is a soul also. So in our world, we all are souls. We should be in service of the souls. That we should take care of them. We should feed them. We should that give some water, and whatever they need from us, we should observe it, and we should serve them. Some leeches I have already pulled out before shooting. She is very simple, very beautiful, and very simple. Oh, look at this. It is a leech. They give a lot of pain. You cannot bear the pain of leech. One leech. He is enjoying the sunshine because the winter has come. It is very that enjoyable to sit in the sun, to play in the sun, or to spend some time in the sun. My favorite animal is cow because they are very simple. They give us milk and that we plow our lands, all the bullocks with all the bullocks, and they give that to all the calves and they become bullocks. Very good cow, very beautiful cow. First time in the year 2019, I saw her in the hostel, and she came here to drink some water or to eat some food. And since then, that for 10 or more than 20 times, I think, I cannot count. She comes here and I do the same service. I don't know what to do with her, but I give some food, I give some water, and I pull out. I protect her. This is one type of protection. And I don't think that she is separated from us. That if we have had, we know that the divine is present everywhere. The divine mother is present in all living beings, and she is present everywhere. And in me, in her, in each of us, and equally she is present. But if we continue our service to them, if we do service for them that is delightful, that is protective service, then it is that one type of righteous service. Then this is, I think, the true meaning of the religion. Religion is nothing without righteousness. That true service is the meaning of the religion. And without true service, without righteous service, religion is nothing. Humanity or religion, humanity is a soul, and everybody is a soul. This is, I think, this is what I think. So nice, so nice. I'm so happy today. The day on which I do some service for other animals, other souls, I become happy. It is a happy day for me. The Sunday is a happy day for me. For 6 or 7 days, she didn't come here because she was grazing somewhere, but today she came here. And after coming, she looked at me that what I am doing or where I am going. No, like this. But at that time, I came out and saw it. Now, I shall leave her here and she will go whenever she can. She is resting here and she is enjoying the sunshine. Uh, such cows are very beautiful. Such souls. Divine Mother. The Divine Mother's grace and process is doing everything. The Divine Mother is present everywhere. But her grace is for me, I think. This is grace for me. That she is coming here, this is her grace. That do something for me. Thank you. I have to do something, my work.